My name is Alfredi Marta Tapias. I want to give my point of beyond technology and this implication for the environment. Technological progress has a negative impact on the environment, but we have to start from the fact that all human activity will have an impact on the environment. Sadly, most of it is a negative impact. By we must also be aware that we have benefit from technological advancement. This has allowed millions of people today to have a better quality of life. I believe that environmental pollution in most cases a consequence of poor management of technology and very flexibly governmental policies. In addition to this, irresponsibility of us as consumers of technology. We see, for example, self-funded computer companies. They know how are recycling or storage plan for all this garbage, all this waste thrown by people to whether sources are in any ecosystem drastically polluting the environment. I consider that technology advance is the cause of global warming, but not only because of the advance, but also because of the lack of management performance of the state of us as consumers. We become compulsive consumers with technology simply because of status or because we are fashion not knowing the wish we are doing, but still we do not care about the environment. This is no doubt that the current environmental demands governments have in the grip of it, therefore it is necessary to demand responsibly clear environmental protection policies, especially above underdeveloped countries and to challenge the Estados Unidos and China. Although we was themselves who guilty of dumping polluting elements into nether's human beings only cooperating with rigid laws entering on environmental damage.